The birds. Oh my god. But the seagulls will put you in the face. Ah! This is terrifying. Well, hello there. Welcome to day 4. So today's gonna be pretty exciting. We are going there. It is Chef Mickey's for lunch today, so that'll be fun. And aside from that, we have 0 plans, so we will see. Woo! So we just went on Crush's coaster, it was fun. My lanyard got smashed on it, but I fixed it-ish. And we're going on Aladdin now. Excited. There's no one there. There you go, there's that. So bright and so cold. Doesn't make sense. So we're gonna go to Ratatouille again. I keep getting fast passes and not with no intention of using them for souvenirs. So cute! I didn't even notice that. Ah! I keep missing them. Constant theme. It's my life. Every time. I know. Oh.
The first order will be victorious. Activate translation. That's it. That's the droid we're looking for. C'est normal, citoyen. Le droïde est avec le fugitif. Si nous en trouvons un, l'autre ne sera pas loin. Cherche encore. Nous vous surveillons.
They're watching you.
You are dismissed.
Look what I got! I'm warm! I'm so excited. So we are sitting in Chef Mickey's. Having a lot of confusion now. Prepared for lots of weird clips. Yay. She has something in her bag. No. As everyone else. Sorry, Rob. You make the best carrots though. Just because I can, here's a quick gander at all our lovely food. Actually looks really, really nice.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
I'm excited. It's so fancy. You're the best boys, oh, poor Pluto.
See their face.
So Chef Mickey's is so delicious. But guess where we are back at? Stormtroopers. Yeah, resistance.
à vous. Ici, nous ne tolérons pas les traîtres, ni ceux qui les dissimulent. En avant.
Ooh, good scream! Oh, pretty good. Rocking, rocking and rolling. Na, 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 na. Seagulls will bite you in the face.
Can I go over and punch them?
No. God. Oh, that cook crease though. Ah, cool. Depending on your angle. It's so beautiful. It's so stunning. So loud. Look at how cold it is. This is not supposed to be frozen, but it is. Gosh. It's so, so cold. Woo! Another day, another dollar. So we are done. We are just enjoying cocktails in the bar in Sequoia Lodge. Really nice. But we're just gonna go back to the room in a bit. Yeah, but pack, which obviously you guys don't want to see. And then we have to go for one last day tomorrow. Which is so sad. But thanks for watching. That's just a picture of it. I'll see you tomorrow.